Welcome to Onwards and Upwards. In this video, we're near Nanaimo, BC, and we're gonna climb Mount Benson with the boys. So, here with a couple buddies. Should be a good hike. 5-hour round trip. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's send it. So this is the mountain right here. This is Mount Benson. 1,000 meters on the dot, maybe a few meters higher. So, not a giant mountain, but a decent mountain. All right, we're about 15 minutes in. Pretty steep.
I know what you mean. It like, feels like your lungs pinching, kind of. I get that too. It's the.
All right, so we found some salmon berries here. This should be a bit more red, but these are really good.
Good to go?
Mm.
1, 2, 3. Do some of these. Go on the flat surface over here and do your.
I think we made it. I might be wrong, but I think we might be going up there.
I think we might be.
How far to the top?
You're really, like, in the grand scheme of things, you're very close.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Another 10 minutes max.
Sweet. Yeah, it's a pretty steep one.
This is the steepest part, yeah.
Oh yeah. Have a good one.
Cool. Yeah, you too.
Eating some lunch on the top of the mountain.
At a time,
Not really, just a couple of cubes of unsalted butter
a couple
on
of
top.
cubes. No, I don't.
Yeah,
I don't
like
put butter
little
on
cubes.
anything. I don't put butter on anything.
Really?
I do
missing out.
love butter, yeah.
You're missing out then, Demi. You just eat dry bread, Demi? Like,
Yeah, I put eggs on all the time. The only thing that I will put butter on sometimes is mashed potatoes.
So you can see Nanaimo over there.
And it just the turkey.
Over here there's lots of clear cuts, which is kind of a shame.
Because it's dairy, right?
Yeah.
Not the greatest view, but still a nice one. Hey everybody, so I did this hike quite a long time ago, but I just want to say that this hike was extremely grueling, all uphill, quite difficult. And I found that the views at the top were not sufficiently amazing to justify that burn for that reward. But I'm still happy I did the hike. It's one to check off the list, but if you're looking for hikes in the area, definitely not the best in my opinion. But let me know what you think in the comments, so I'll see you next time on Onwards and Upwards.